In the quiet towns of northern Italy, a young boy pedaled more than 36 kilometers every day just to reach a small auto repair shop. His legs scraped against the bicycle frame, his determination unmatched. That boy was Orazio Spanesi, a man who would go on to change the world of automotive repair forever. Orazio Spanesi's fascination with cars began early. Even as a child, he was drawn to the mechanics of vehicles, eager to understand every nut, bolt, and weld. But he quickly noticed a problem. The tools available to technicians were inefficient, cumbersome, and often unreliable. From these challenges grew a lifelong mission to create equipment that made repairs faster, more precise, and ultimately, more human-friendly. Founding his first workshop in 1969, after years of hands-on experience, Orazio opened his own carrozzeria, or collision repair shop. It was small, modest, but became his experimental laboratory. Here, he began developing techniques and modifying tools, always asking a simple question: how can this process be made better? His dedication and ingenuity quickly earned him a reputation among peers, not only for repairing cars, but for improving the tools themselves. By the late 1970s, Orazio realized that the entire industry needed better equipment. Frustrated by what was available on the market, he began designing and manufacturing his own tools. From welding systems to measuring jigs, each device was born from real-world experience, engineered to save time, reduce errors, and make technicians' jobs easier. By 1989, Spanesi had become a recognized name in professional auto repair equipment. Orazio's hands-on philosophy led to groundbreaking innovations. The universal jig system allowed for unmatched precision in structural repairs, while the Touch 3D electronic measuring system modernized collision repair by combining accuracy and speed. Spanesi equipment became a benchmark in the industry, redefining standards and enabling workshops to perform repairs previously thought impossible. From a small workshop in Italy, Spanesi grew into a global leader. Today, their equipment is used in Europe, the Americas, Asia, and beyond. The company's success lies not only in innovative tools, but in a philosophy rooted in practical experience, creating equipment for the people who use it every day. Orazio Spanesi's work did not go unnoticed. He received national honors, including the prestigious Cavalier della Repubblica, recognizing his contributions to both industry and society. But beyond accolades, his true legacy is cultural and technological. The understanding that those who know the craft best are the ones who should design the tools. His company continues to innovate while staying true to this principle. Even as his company grew, Orazio never lost his personal touch. He remained hands-on, mentoring technicians, overseeing design improvements, and emphasizing a simple philosophy: tools should adapt to humans, not the other way around. His commitment to innovation, quality, and care has left an indelible mark on the auto repair industry. From a determined young boy pedaling through the Italian countryside to the founder of a global brand, Orazio Spanesi's story is one of vision, perseverance, and innovation. His machines may repair cars, but his legacy repairs the way we think about craftsmanship and ingenuity.